Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see here is 7 colorful toys serially arranged. Wow, all are nice and beautiful. And now I will hand drive all of these toys one by one with my hand. So at first is a military tanker, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is black and yellow color combination. And next one is a Spider-Man car here, so I will try this one. Friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is yellow, black and red color combination. Wow friends, you can see there is a RAV3 car, so I will hand drive this one. Wow friends, I parked here this RAV3 car. This one is red and black color combination. And now I will hand drive this green company double decker bus, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this bus. This one is paste and black color combination. And now I will hand drive this R17 bike, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this R17 bike. This one is yellow and black color combination. And next one is a cartoony dump truck, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony dump truck. This one is pink and paste color combination. There is the last one is under construction vehicle mixer truck here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is black, yellow and white color combination. So friends, all of these vehicles are hand drive and introduced with you, serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.